What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses, Green Thumb family. Yes, I am on this video to say thank you all so much. As you may or may not have seen, but I have noticed as of this morning, we are at 100 subscribers. So thank you all for the continuous support and, checking out the different videos, seeing what's going on, seeing what's cracking lacking. I'm so excited for what we have in store for 2021 and even finishing out 2020. So again, I thank you. I love you. I'm excited for the video tomorrow because it's talking about vegetable seeds and how when you're eating different foods, you don't want to just toss out what you think is trash because it could be a seed for your next harvest. So make sure you tune back in for that video on tomorrow. But for today, I want to say thank you. Okay, this is like the time of saying thank you, and so I could not let this moment go by without saying thank you. And if you're watching this video and you're like, why is he so excited? I didn't do my part. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, and so you can be in tune with what is going on in this here channel, on this family, Green Thumb family, where we talk about plants, gardening, and everything green. I looked to even talk about solar. I want to get there. I want to talk about solar. I want to talk about hydroponics. I want to talk about microgreens. I want to talk about gardening. I want to talk about all those things because those are the different things that line up with everything green. Okay? You catch that? Did you catch that? If you didn't, play it back. But nonetheless, I love you. See you tomorrow on that video. Okay? All right. Peace.